Hello, my dear little one. Good afternoon to you all. Welcome to our moral online class. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So, have you all complete your work? Yes? Then why you didn't send me a snapshot? Only few students send me a snapshot. My dear children, everyone should copy the question answers in your moral notebook and do your homework. After completing your work, don't forget to send me a snapshot. Okay? Yes. Today, children, we are going to see the questions and answers from Chapter 2. Questions and answers from Lesson 2. Okay, do you remember the title of our lesson? Yes, title for our lesson is Let Us Play. Title for our lesson is Let Us Play. Let me ask some questions about this lesson. So, how many characters are there? Yes, tell me. There are multi-characters, isn't it? Yes, very good. What's the moral did you learn from this story? Gender equality. Very good, my dear children. Moral value for this lesson is gender equality. Let me revise this lesson once again. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Dear children, here are some points to remember our lesson. Maya and Zoya are playing with their friends. Maya planned to have a party for her doll's birthday. One boy said that even I love to play with dolls. Zoya asked, can we play football tomorrow? Here, Maya is sharing her toys with their friends. Maya and Zoya are sharing their toys with their friends. So, first we learned about sharing, isn't it? Yes, sharing is a good habit. Then the two questions we raise from this lesson is, can boys play with dolls? Can girls play football? From this we all know that there is no difference between boys and girls. My dear good children, we all know about sharing, right? Yes. Can you tell me 2 points about sharing? Already we learned it. We all know that sharing is a good habit. Then tell me 2 points about sharing. Yes. Good friends share and care each other. Good friends share and care each other. Then the second point is, when you share your things, you will make many more friends. When you share your things, you will make many more friends. So, my dear children, we should share our things with our siblings and with our friends and those who all are in need. Yes, very good. My dear children, tell me the main concept of our lesson. Yes, it's about gender equality. What is meant by gender equality? The realization of human rights for all. I mean, when women and men enjoy the same opportunity in the society. When women and men enjoy the same opportunities in the society is a gender equality. Okay? Normally, what we think? Activities which boys only can. Racing, football playing, bodybuilding. Activities which girls only can. Cooking, beautician. People segregated that some works only suitable for girls, some works only suitable for boys. Like that, people segregated. But my dear good children, already I have shown some examples to break this thoughts between us, right? So we all know that it doesn't matter if you are a boy or a girl. Both boys and girls can do anything they like, right? Yes. Dear children, do you remember the examples that I have shown to prove that there is no difference between boys and girls? Yes? Who is she? She is a girl racer. Her name is Alisha Abdullah. And this is Indian women football team. Indian women football team. This example proves that even a girl can do racing and girl can play football. The third example is men cook. Yes. His name is Ranveer Brar, known as India's most stylish chef. From this example, we can know that each and everyone can do anything they like. Yes? Okay. Now we are going to learn questions and answers for this lesson. Questions and answers for this lesson. Fill in the blanks. First question is Maya and Soya are playing with their dash. Maya and Soya are playing with their dash. Answer is friends. Answer is friends. Maya and Soya are playing with their friends. Are you ready to spell it? Friends. F R I E N D S. Friends. F R I E N D S. Friends. Maya and Soya are playing with their friends. Second question is, today is my dash birthday. Today is my dash birthday. Answer is dolls. Answer is dolls. Today is my doll's birthday. Today is my doll's birthday. D-O-L-L' dolls. D-O-L-L' dolls. Then the third question is, I love to dash with dolls. I love to dash with dolls. Answer is play. Answer is play. P-L-A-Y. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. I love to play with dolls. I love to play with dolls. Fourth question is, we can play in the dash. We can play in the dash. Answer is park. Answer is park. P-A-R-K. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. We can play in the park. Then the fifth question is, dash friends share and care each other. Dash friends share and care each other. Answer is good. Answer is good. G-O-O-D. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Good friends share and care each other. Good friends share and care each other. My dear children, now you all know to read these questions and answers, right? Okay, once again read along with me. Fill in the blanks. First one is Maya and Soya are playing with their friends. Then the second one is today is my doll's birthday. Then the third one is I love to play with dolls. Fourth question is we can play in the park. Then the fifth question is good friends share and care each other. Okay, my dear students, now you all know, right? Yes. Learn it well and copy it in your notebook. Okay, my dears? Yes. This is activity time. Can you guess what activity I am gonna give today? Yes, surely it's related to our lesson. Yes, it's about gender equality. Dear children, select an image about gender equality, paste it in your notebook and write few points about the image that you have chosen. Don't select the same image that I have shown here. You should select the image as your wish. Okay, my dear children? Select an image, paste it in your notebook and write few points about the image that you have chosen. Then after completing this activity, take a snapshot and send it to me. Hope you all understood well, right? Yes. Okay, today let's wind up our class. Till we meet in our next class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.